Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. Today we are talking a real common Netflix problem. Your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. If you have been seeing this message, don't worry, you are not alone. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix it step by step or so you can start watching again without interruption. First of all, why does this error show up? Netflix now ties your account to one main household because basically the Wi-Fi network or of your home. If you try using Netflix from a different location or too long or on a new device that isn't linked it yet, you will get this message. So here's the main fix. Open Netflix on your main TV or primary device at home. Go to settings and select manage Netflix household. Choose set Netflix household. Then make sure you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. Confirm it and Netflix will recognize that network as your household. Once your household is set, bring the device showing the your phone, laptop, TV, etc. to your home Wi-Fi. Open Netflix and log in again. After connecting once, it should sync and work normally. If you traveled often, you may need to do this every now and then to keep access active. If that's not possible, ask the account owner to send you a verification link or code if available, or if you need regular access outside your home, consider adding an external member installed if your plan allows it. So sign out of Netflix and on the device and sign back in, then update the Netflix apps to the latest version. Restart your router if you are at home but still getting the message. And that's it. So with these simple steps, you should be able to fix the your device isn't part of the Netflix household problem easily. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.